This episode of G-Reviews, I replaced the windshield washer pump. If you don't hear any noise, it's definitely the pump. So I'm gonna go ahead and replace it, this time on G-Reviews. Stay tuned. And your windshield washer fluid is over here. Last time I made a video, it was actually just leaking. It was just a line. However, this time it doesn't make any kind of noise at all. So I am thinking it is the little pump. And these pumps are very much universal. So I think it was $10. I'll have a link in the description of where to get it on Amazon. But all we're really gonna do is, there are 3 bolts to take this whole thing out. There's one here, there is one down there, and one here. So take this out. There's 2 wires, there's a sensor and then there's the pump, right? So you get a connector right there on this side, and then you've got another connector, for the pump, right? One's the pump, one is just the sensor for the level. So you just disconnect the 2 of those, and then the whole thing comes out, and then we can just go ahead and replace the pump itself. All right, so now that I've got the washer reservoir loose, I'm just gonna disconnect, like I said, those 2, disconnect that one, that's the pump, and disconnect the sensor so we don't get a whole bunch of fluid everywhere. Okay, so once you pull the reservoir out, this is what it looks like. There is the one tube, right, because this is the pump right here. There's that nipple right here, and you just have to pull that tube off of there. And then all you really got to do to put the new pump in is just basically, there's a seal right here. There's a seal right here, so you just kind of wiggle it out and then put the new one in. So let's do that now. Okay guys, so I just took the old one out. Honestly, all you really have to do, the new one's in there already. There's a seal. So there's a little seal right here. And all this pump just slides in and out. So really you just kind of have to turn it, it comes right out. The new one comes with a new seal in there. So that's the whole process right there. So now all we got to do is go ahead and put the thing back in, reconnect the sensor, reconnect the windshield washer fluid tube, the cable for the pump, and then put the windshield washer fluid back in, and we'll see if it all works. Okay, guys, everything is back installed. Got all the screws back in. The new pump is down there, so let's go and try it out. Guys, moment of truth. Hey, look at that. Nice. Haven't had that in quite a long time. Very good. Good stuff. Both sides, perfect. That about does for watching, and we will see you in the next one.